Welcome back to my channel. Today I got the CTS BOV and I'm about to install it. Should be a super easy install. I've watched a few videos, but I don't know. I've only seen them on like GTIs and stuff like the Mark 7 ups. Never seen an S3 like install video, so I'm gonna try and video this the whole entire time. If my cameraman knows what he's doing, but I don't know. But we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit and then go from there.
Oh, you dripped.
Drip, drip. I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this portion of the intake, just because that's what everybody says. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna remove this. Simple. And then I'm gonna twist the turbo inlet pipe back a little bit so I can get more room. That's a simple step. Touch my penis. So right here, there's this little T45 or something. So that just basically loosens the inlet pipe. And what I'm going to do is it just twists off. So that's what I'm going to do now. I went ahead and loosened that bolt, not thingy, screw, whatever the fuck it is. I just need to undo this one thing and then do it. Yeah, I'm just loosening the 3 bolts with this thingy. And going from there, I can't get like the bottom one. I can get it. Everything's so hot still. Alright, so I went ahead and removed this. I'm not gonna like completely take it out, just because it's an easy install. I'm just gonna set it to the side. Over there. Look at that. Perfect. I'll stay there, and then it gives me access to my gardening gloves to take all this shit out. But yeah, I'm basically... The only thing I'm like confused about is the vacuum lines. I know it has something to do with right here. I'll have to watch a couple more videos just to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. But it's easy. Easy day. It's hot. Did I do that? I didn't do that. This thing is like so oily and disgusting. Well, no, you don't have to go with her.
I was looking for shots for Gord and there's rain, but I don't know, we'll see.
Oh.
So you can get us up there at 4? Or?
Yeah, I'll try. If I'm not done with this, then you'll just have to show it to me or let me know.
Why don't you get off the phone and get your stuff done then?
Well, don't call me then.
Love you.
Love you, bye. Holy shit, that's hot. It felt cold at first, and now it's hot as balls. My balls is hot. So this is a stock bypass valve. I don't know what they do, but placing it with the CTS, I don't know how close you get. But yeah, I'm about to install this. I'm gonna look at videos first real quick to do the vacuum lines because I have no idea what I'm doing. But here we go. I'm all shaky. It's bad. I'm like... Alright, I went and got all 3 tightened in there, I think, properly. I'll probably go ahead and tighten them again here in a second whenever I get everything else done. But now I'm going to watch this YouTube video on how to do the vacuum line, because I know something goes right here, and then I have to click this in, and from the videos I saw, I'll probably just zip tie it somewhere right over here, because in one of the videos that I saw, there was a Allen bolt, like bracket, that goes on right here, but this blow-off valve didn't come with it, so I'm just going to have to like figure out how to rig it onto something. It's just this piece that goes on there. It's like a module or something. I don't even know. It's really weird. But I'm gonna watch this video. Shout out to... Oof, I don't even know how to say your name. I'll link you in the description because I'm watching your video to do this. But shout out to you because yours is like the best video that I've seen because you're really detailed. But yeah, I'll get back to you once I figure this vacuum line out and we'll go from there. Ooh. That little... I got that off. According to your video, we have to take that part off. Okay,
me sitting on my Audi.
Look at me, Ma.
I made it.
That was like all of 2020's class song.
Yeah. 120, yeah. Oh my little longboard here.
Alright, so I went ahead and put the inlet pipe back on so I could fit everything properly without having to worry about anything like that. But I'm gonna cut this now, this wire, to fit right here. And then after that, I just have to run this vacuum line to one of these and then one of these to here as well. So it's super simple. Once that's done, then I just put the intake back on and hear turbo noises. I'm pretty sure I got everything done. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna go through and put, what are they called? Zip ties, all around like all the
Fittings.
yeah fittings, and then I'm gonna put the intake back on and
There you go.
start it and
There's your
rev it
poodle.
and see. Oh my Lanta.
Leave it there. Oh, that was fun.
That's for the
the thing.
yeah
Cover.
the thing majigger. I'm done. All right, I'm basically done tightening the last one. Tightening, it's so weird. Tightening the last one. And I don't think I'm going to put any
Come on,
zip
how you have
ties. Looks fine. I mean, here's a finished product. I think I got everything correct. I could be completely wrong. I don't know. I'll start up now and see. Are you ready? Yep. Here. All right, we're about to go rip it and see how it sounds. My car blows up, it blows up. Who cares? I'll just build it. Well, I'll do a pull. I'm so happy.
It's loud.
It really is. Ugh. Did you fart? No, don't fucking lie to me, you fucking nasty shit. I don't know if you guys are able to hear that or not, but it sounds amazing. We'll do a, I'll get out, I'll have my little cameraman get out and we'll do a flyby real quick. I don't really do it because like,
Can't really tell.
it don't build boost at Are you ready? Ah! I love it. Sheesh! Get in, losers. We're going shopping. That was tasty.
There's a cop, and then I was like, the truck in front of me is hauling. Like, I'm gonna speed up, so I did 5 over.
All right, so that's the end of this video. It's a quick little install video. Like I said, I'm gonna link that guy that has that cool or the good descriptive video. I don't even know what I'm saying in the bio, and then yeah, that's about it. I think that's it. We need to do the exhaust reveal still on this car, and then once that's done, then that's it. But like and subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram. I don't know. See you later.